So it's nothing new that YouTube is a huge source of traffic for your products and services. Video marketing is one of the easiest ways to get highly targeted traffic, but you have to do it right. Now, if you do it wrong and you simply upload a video to YouTube in hopes that it'll get ranked both on YouTube and Google, then you won't be as effective. That may have worked back in 2005, where you could just simply throw a couple backlinks at it, but today is different. The problem is that ranking on YouTube isn't as easy as it was back in 2005 or even 2010. Plus, on top of that, there are tons and tons of different marketing strategies out there. Many of these work and many of these have faded away. So what works and what doesn't? What is a long-term strategy that is going to work for years to come? It's simple. Understanding what keywords that are in demand and how to properly optimize your video before you make it live is what is going to help YouTube know where exactly to categorize your video. And methods have changed, and so has the YouTube's algorithm. And you'll learn the most updated SEO strategies that you must do before you make your YouTube videos live. You will learn the most updated SEO strategies that you must do before you make your YouTube videos live. Announcing the brand new 8-part step-by-step video course. You're going to discover how to optimize your videos for YouTube search engine so that you can outrank your competitors. So in this specific video course, you will get a step-by-step, click-by-click, watch over my shoulder, and learn what you need to do before making your YouTube videos live. So here's a quick videos overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2, we're going to talk about competitive research. And in other words, how to figure out why YouTube is ranking certain videos at the top. Video number 3, we'll talk about how you can figure out what keyword terms to use and focus on. Video number 4, we'll talk about your title and your description. Video number 5, we'll talk about video file optimization, which is something that most people don't even know about. Video number 6, we'll talk about your thumbnail, why it's important, and how to create professional thumbnails. Video number 7, we'll talk about the video length and why that is important. And of course, on top of that, video number 8, we'll talk about a secret tip to outrank your competitors. So go ahead and grab this video course today and begin optimizing your videos for YouTube the right way.